Nominated for 4 Tony Awards, including Best Musical, and now the hit Broadway musical Catch Me If You Can is coming to the Grand Opera House right here in Macon. Joining me to tell us about the show is Executive Director of the Grand, Miss Betsy Fitzgerald. Betsy, thanks for coming.
Thank you for inviting me back.
So I saw this show when I was in New York.
That's so exciting.
About a year ago. It was a lot of fun. It got, like I said, it got nominated for a bunch of awards. And it's a fun show. If you've seen the movie by Steven Spielberg, which is a great movie.
Great movie.
It's completely different from the movie. I mean, it's completely different. Again, it's a musical.
Yes.
You can see the orchestra on the stage the entire time, a lot of big band. Talk about what's the story about, though.
Well, the storyline is basically we have this young gentleman named Jack, and he decides to go and do a lot of different things that probably weren't quite legal. He forged a lot of checks, made a lot of money, and was a doctor. Let me say this, impersonated a doctor, a lawyer, and of course an airline pilot, which is what I love the most about the whole story. And this is a glamorous story set back in the day, and this is a great musical adaptation of a movie which is kind of a nod to the old-fashioned Broadway show with the big dancing and singing and showgirls and all that. And it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's the first time it's ever been on national tour. It's straight off Broadway.
It's coming right to Macon.
Coming right to Macon, but we're getting it before the Fox Theater.
Really?
How cool is that?
That's big.
It's very big, and so this is a great time for people to kind of get into the holiday spirit. It's not a holiday Christmas show. There's not going to be Christmas carols, but it's a great...
There is a Christmas scene in it, though. So
okay, well,
maybe.
you got one thing, but it's really cool because you can come downtown, go to one of our great stores, shop maybe a little bit, maybe eat something great at one of our independent restaurants, and then come to a grand old Broadway show at the Grand Opera House.
Yeah, and I mean the show it follows the same storyline as the movie, which a lot of people liked, but the songs are just great. In my research, it's from the producers of Hairspray, which is a big hit with a lot of people.
Huge.
So.
Well, and they also had their fingers in a lot of other major Broadway shows that have been on our stage and in New York for many years now. So this is going to be a really great show for everyone to come to see.
And tickets start at $38, is that correct?
Well, we have some box seats left at $32, and right now it is Cyber Monday.
Okay.
And so we have a special sale for best seats in the house tonight through midnight at the website www.thegrandmacon.com.
All right. Betsy, thanks so much for coming. We appreciate it.
Thanks for inviting me.
And again, you can catch Me If You Can at the Grand Opera House on December 3rd and 4th at 7:30. Tickets start at $38, or they can be purchased at thegrandmacon.com.